Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Nail stamping is the process of using a nail stamper to achieve instant impressive nail art. The process involves applying nail polish to the grooves of beautifully engraved designs. These designs are transferred to the surface of each nail using nail stamper. Using these techniques, it's quick and easy to achieve amazing designs on your nail. There are no limits to the types of designs you can explore for nail stamping. There are tons of design available. Make sure you have all the fun nail polish colors that are trending if you want to keep up with nail of art fashions. If you are wondering what the best nail polish for stamping is, simply explore our best nail polish colors at Orly, such as Island Hopping. To get started, you will need to get your hands on the correct nail stamping tools. Here are the best tools you should shop for when beginning your nail stamping adventures. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. The stamping plates are made of thin steel and usually contain several images or designs per plate. These designs range from small, intricate patterns to fancy French tips. Some designs are very detailed to or cover an entire nail, including the extended longer nails. You can start out with a full stamping kit and then add on more stamping. Please, as you widen your design options, the bottom line is to choose the stamping plates and that contain the designs that suit you best. But to keep your designs flawless and effortless, choose quality stamping plates with deeply etched designs and perfect detail to them. When choosing stamper, the one that feels is your nail best option. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video. Thanks for watching.